going to be filming a bake with me video because I've always kind of wanted to do that. I had no idea what video I was going to film for this week. Need video ideas, so guys, leave me your video idea request down in the comments below. But I'm going to make treats for my class or my family, depends on how much supplies I have. We're going to make some holiday treats. I think I'm only making one treat, honestly, but it's the effort. The effort was there. I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me to the grocery store, and then we're going to come back to my house, and we're going to cook. I know I look homeless. I know I look gross. I just got done school. Sorry about that. We're going to go now. We're going to dive into the video. Okay, let's go. Also, here's the fit. And there's money in my pocket. Alrighty. Okay, we're going to go. I locked it. New driver things. I'm gonna try setting my camera up on the dashboard. If it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna vlog in the store. It's incompetent. I'm just gonna try it, okay? Washi tape, so hopefully that will work. Also, my car is low on gas, so I might have to fill it up with gas. We'll see. Nope, okay. Honestly, I don't even know if the camera's in focus. Washi tape, you suck. I have literally no duct tape, no duct tape in my house. Washi tape is decomposing. Literally not working, at all. It's not happening. This is not oh gosh. How do YouTubers set up their cameras? I don't know how to. I'll get back. Okay, so the tape just wasn't working. I'm gonna try to drive, so I doubt I will be able to. So I might just vlog at the store. So if the next clip you see is me at the store, it means the camera just wasn't working for me. Okay. Alright, let's go. Oh gosh. I'm here, guys. Okay. There we go. This isn't gonna work. This is probably the best I can do, because it just... Okay, whoa. This is the best I can do. I'm sorry the angle is atrocious. A lot of people cruising right now. That's cool. Okay, goody, let's go. I'm just gonna vlog when I get to the grocery store. We're just gonna talk about how stupid I am for a second. So... I literally forgot my money at home. I brought my debit card just in case, but my dad gave me cash, and I forgot it at home. So I'm an idiot, and I hate myself. So anyways, I'm gonna see you guys when I'm in the store. I'm gonna vlog in the store, but I might not you'll see, because I'm kind of nervous. There's a lot of people. Okay, bye. Okay, I got the peppermint candy cane, and I'm gonna buy marshmallow, 3 bags. It's kind of ridiculous, but I'm making a lot of Rice Krispies, so I have vanilla extract at home and butter, and I have Rice Krispies at home, so I think I'm good. So we're gonna check out now and then go home. Alright, so I got the ingredients, and I'm gonna drive home, and vlogging just isn't an option right now. I'm sorry, so I'll see you at home. Alrighty, I'm home now, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make the Rice Krispies. I tried to make the lighting look as good as possible. Literally, daylight savings has the sun going down at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They're so easy to make, so let's go. I'm going to give them to some people at my school, maybe my classmates. We'll find out. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what you'll need. The first thing you're going to need is a bowl. Also, I'm a rookie at cooking videos, so I don't know how this is going to play out, but hopefully it's good. Marshmallows, I bought 3 bags if you didn't see. Alright, I bought these pack of candy canes, and they're just peppermint candy canes. Some of them are broken, but we're going to break them up anyways, so it's all good. I've been using regular, good old-fashioned butter. Literally, this is all I have in my house. It's Marcel margarine, which is disgusting, low-key, I hate it, but it's fine. So you just need butter, margarine, or butter, whatever floats your boat. Rice Krispies as well. These aren't festive. I couldn't find festive ones anywhere, so this is all I got. Also gonna need vanilla extract. This is optional. I have my really crusty pan because... Is this a pan? No. What you're gonna do is you're gonna melt butter in it and then pour the marshmallow. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so my stove is on medium-high heat, and I'm just heating up this butter. So I'm basically gonna be putting this whole pack of marshmallows in, and then another pack. Camera is dirty. I don't actually use exact measurements. I know you're supposed to, but I feel like it just tastes better and works better, and it's easier for me if I just eyeball it. In fact, I recommend using an icing spoon or whatever this is. Is this a spatula? Whatever this is called, it's so much easier to mix the marshmallows because they get really sticky.
City sidewalk, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style.
marshmallow stuff first. It's really, really, really hot, so be careful. It's literally so hot. I should have put mittens on. What is it? Cooking gloves? But I didn't because I'm stupid. So basically this is like half a bowl of marshmallow stuff. Pour in Rice Krispies into the bowl. Guess how much I should put, but I'm probably just going to put half. I'm going to mix it, and if it's too watery still, then I'm just going to add more Rice Krispies. If you didn't go to the gym today and you're making Rice Krispies, it's definitely an arm workout, so there you go. The bowl's a little bit too small and it's overlapping over the top, but it's fine. We're going to be okay. Optional, but I like to add a sprinkle of marshmallows in, so then there's like chunks of it in it. It's so good. Oh no. Marshmallows that we pour into it start to melt, and it's so good. I'm gonna push this aside for a second, and I'm gonna butter my pans. Basically it's really sticky like I mentioned, so if you don't butter your pans, it's gonna be so hard to clean it out. Just literally taking a spoon and putting butter on it. Kind of gross, low-key, looks disgusting. It tastes good. My camera ran out of storage on this memory card. I can't even remember what I was saying. What was I saying? So basically I just flatten it out. Like, do you see how sticky this is? It's literally staying still. What I'm going to be doing is putting, I think four candy canes into a plastic bag, and I'm going to crush them up. These kind of look gross, so hopefully they taste good. Okay, wow, that was good. Okay. Not those gross candy. Oh my gosh. I think these are those gross candy canes that are like sticky when you bite them. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? These candy canes smell like cough medicine, and I feel like they might taste like it too. I'm just gonna put candy canes in a little set of Rice Krispies I have going here. If you are putting candy canes on it, put good quality ones. Anyways, I crushed these all up. My brother came in yelling at me because I was really loud. And I'm going to sprinkle these on to the Rice Krispies now. It's like Pop Rocks. I'm really not getting festive vibes. It's pink. Really? It smells like toothpaste. Not much I can do. Wow. Okay, so I tried cutting these. That didn't work. Okay. Well, I'm going to just... Okay, so that looks ugly. But it's okay. That is how you make peppermint Rice Krispies. I'm going to try them now. They're still really sticky. Rice Krispies are good, but the candy cane tastes disgusting, so I didn't put any candy cane on here. Here's my Rice Krispies. I hope you guys enjoyed my attempt at a baking video. If you did, let me know by giving a thumbs up, and send me pictures if you guys recreate these Rice Krispies, and let me know if you find better candy cane, because this candy cane is so gross. Hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. It's probably going to be what I got for Christmas. I'm excited. Alright, I love you guys so much. Bye!